Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you me organising the baby's nursery. I've only just recently finished it and I just wanted to talk you through and show you the nursery because I wish I had done this with my daughter's bedroom in our previous house, but I never did. But I'm only just getting around to doing it. I'm literally days away from giving birth. I'm so tired. I'm looking so bad and I'm massively out of breath. But anyway, I wanted to film a quick intro just to say hello and explain what this video is about, and I will more than likely be talking over the video as well. But I really hope you enjoyed this, and if you do, be sure to click subscribe and I'll see you all in my next video. Well, I'll see you all in this next slide, but... So first off, I started by assembling the cot for his bedroom. This is just the really cheap IKEA cot. This is the 120 by 60, I think it was. And it just matched it. It was perfect for what I wanted in here. I wanted really plain and simple in his nursery. But any furniture and stuff you see in this video is either going to be secondhand or from IKEA, or if it's not, I'll leave it all linked down below anyway, if I can. But yeah, I really love all the furniture I chose for this bedroom, and I can't remember what layout I had at the end of this video, so the layout might be completely different right now. But yeah, this is me organising the nursery and putting stuff back in because I moved everything into mine and Dan's bedroom and Lil's bedroom, so I was finally happy to just clear it and everything. I'm also putting up this curtain pole now. This curtain pole is an extendable one, but he's just got like a really close to the wall window, so it's really hard to put this up, and I had to kind of like bodge it. So yeah, it's up, it's fine, it's safe, it's secure. But this curtain pole was from Pound Stretcher. It's the extendable one, and yeah, I really like it. I've got them downstairs as well. They're really easy and quite cheap actually as well. So thank you Mum for my little lady drill for Christmas a few years ago. I use it all the time. But you might recognize these curtains from Lilith's old bedroom. She's got new ones, and I decided these grey ones were perfect. They're just, they're just so plain, which is what I wanted. But yeah, I'm bringing out all the clothes and all the bits and bobs that I picked up through the months, and just started to lay it out and get it all into some sort of pile ready for me to organise. So everything has either been folded into a size according pile, or it's been hung up ready to go on the back of his door because he doesn't have a wardrobe. And I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do in regards to that for his bedroom. But most of the stuff was put into drawers anyway, drawers and storage boxes, which you will see in a moment. But yeah, these drawers, I was a bit scared they were going to be very tiny, but surprisingly they are plenty big enough, so I'm very happy with that. So yes, the plastic is still on his mattress. I figured, what's the point in like getting loads of dust all over it before he even sleeps in it? You know, he's not going to be in it for a good 6 months. But that is everything for his nursery being organized. I love it and it's perfect in my eyes. So I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.